What to expect from Tesla in 2021? Model Y in Europe, new factories, start with fresh Model S and Model X. Let's take a look at these issues, friends. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news analysis and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Tesla Mac from Germany is looking into Tesla 2021, looking at what we can expect from Tesla, new factories, new Model Y from Europe, Giga Berlin, Model S and Model X refreshes, and so on. Let's take a look and see what are the things that they're accenting and stressing in that report. So in the short term, the most important question about Tesla in 2021 will be how many electric cars the company actually delivered and sold in the past year in 2020, and we will know that shortly in few days. According to CEO Elon Musk, it should be at least 500,000, which no longer seemed unrealistic shortly before the end of the year. So this is one of the first things we will be looking for in 2021 from Tesla to get that number. But that only affects the 2020, and Tesla has begun plans already for 2021. Like this morning, I already reported two major things about 2021. Tesla is hiring already people to work on semi-truck production. Tesla is also hiring people in Raleigh, North Carolina to produce its that hints that Tesla may be building a new factory in Raleigh, North Carolina to produce its 4680 battery cells. So we're going to look into all of this. Now, some of this should come as a surprise and could change over the course of the year, as you know, manufacturing and huge companies may make different decisions. So we'll see on that. Shortly before the beginning of 2021, it did not look like many new models at Tesla. But Model Y is almost certain to come in Europe at Giga Berlin, and Model S and Model X could at least get an early interior refresh. So let's take a look at Model Y for Europe. Many questions are still kind of unanswered. The Model Y is going to come from Giga Berlin. The fact that Tesla Model Y will also reach Germany about a year later after the North American launch in spring 2020 has been on Tesla's order website for a long time. Quote, beginning of 2021, unquote, is specified there as the scheduled date for the start of production. CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, had said in April 2020 that the crossover, Model Y electric crossover, would only be delivered from the Gigafactory near Berlin in Europe, from Grünheide. According to previously unofficial information, Tesla also wants to export the Model Y from the Gigafactory in China from 2021. I think that this will make sense. If there is huge demand for Tesla Model Y in Europe, Tesla will also, we know that Tesla is already and the exports of the Model 3 from China, which began in October 2020, is also to be continued and significantly expanded. So until Gigafactory Berlin, Giga Berlin builds Model Y, if there is a strong demand and Tesla has surplus in Gigafactory Shanghai, why not export Model Y from Gigafactory Shanghai in 2021? So I think that would make sense. Now, in this respect, European customers can expect many Tesla vehicles from China in 2021 until Giga Berlin is built. After the first reports of their high quality, this is a good news for Europeans waiting for Teslas from Giga Berlin. At the same time, there is less pressure for Tesla to finish Gigafactory in Grünheide quickly. Production there is scheduled to begin in mid-2021, but according to CEO Elon Musk, it will be slow because new production processes and battery technologies are being used. And also there are some lawsuits from environmentalists, and Tesla hasn't made the security deposit yet. The final permit hasn't come yet. We were expecting it to come by the end of the year, but it looks like it will not come earlier than January, mid-January or so, until Tesla makes that final 100 million euro the security deposit in case the final permit doesn't come, and that in case Giga Berlin has to be dismantled, and that will cover that cost. In the meantime, Tesla could supply the European market with Model Y from China, and that's important because many new electric vehicles from other manufacturers have been announced for 2021. This is why it's important that Tesla also quickly reaches the European continent as soon as possible. The second thing that we're looking in Tesla in 2021, Tesla is 4680 battery cells in Tesla Model S Plaid. According to Elon Musk, Tesla can barely have enough production capacity because the demand for its electric cars always exceeds supply. The first target of 500,000 Model Ys per year from Grünheide is unlikely to be achieved before 2022. But production is expected to start in China as early as the beginning of 2021, where Tesla's Model 3 reached an extrapolated 250,000 units per year within a year. And in the United States of Texas and the US state of Texas, the next Gigafactory is already taking shape. Construction of Giga Texas only began late summer and has advanced tremendously already. A lot of work has been done, has been showing the videos of our friend Joe Techmeyer. Parts of it could also go into operation as early as 2021 and produce Model Y for the US East. For all of this, Tesla needs more and more battery cells. At least one application for its production on the site of the German Gigafactory at Giga Berlin can be expected in 2021. According to Elon Musk, the first large factory for Tesla's own 4680 battery cells is to be built in Germany, but the previous battery partners are also preparing to produce the new format on behalf of Tesla. But as I also reported this morning, Tesla is also hiring a battery engineer to work from Raleigh, North Carolina, which hints that Tesla may also build a battery battery factory for 4680 battery cells in Raleigh, North Carolina. I don't know why Tesla is choosing Raleigh, North Carolina, or it has chose or no, but that's what the report suggests. Otherwise, why is Tesla offering that position in Raleigh, North Carolina? And if you look at the responsibilities of that position, as I have explained in that previous report this morning, they're really looking to ramp up a new line. That's one of the responsibilities of this person that Tesla is hiring. Now, it can be ruled out that the first Model Ys from China will already be equipped with 4680 batteries. Rather, this could be the case with electric cars from the German Gigafactory right from the start, although their number would initially remain relatively small. In any case, the 4680 battery cells from Tesla should arrive at the latest with the Model S Plaid at the end of 2021 because the stated performance data and range require a small leap. Now, let's talk about the refreshes or refurbishments of Model S and Model X in 2021. The more important innovations at Tesla in 2021 are therefore likely to take place less at the level of new electric car models, but rather behind the scenes in production and batteries. But the early parts of the year, there could still be at least a visual refresh for Model S and Model X. A more modern interior design has been expected for some time, and speculation increased in the weeks leading up to the end of the year because Tesla sold existing vehicles at moderate discounts and internally announced a break in production. Most recently, the hacker Grünheide discovered software code that suggests an indoor cameras as in Model 3 and Model Y in the 2 premium Teslas. So these are the things that we're expecting in 2021. Another thing that I'm expecting in 2021 is for Tesla to enter the Indian market, to start operations in Indian market. Yesterday we learned that Tesla has already apparently filed 2 applications to enter operations in Indian market. And several days ago, when I reported the news about Tesla entering the Indian market, one of the Indian ministers said that Tesla will start from sales, and then depending on the demand, Tesla will look into opening the assembly line or manufacturing. I don't know if that will grow into the second Gigafactory of Tesla in Asia, but that will be possible. India is a huge market, and if you look at that report, the Indian minister says that India has huge expectations in the area of electric vehicles, huge plans to become one of the world leaders in producing electric bikes, tractors, and electric cars. So friends, let me know what your thoughts are. Did I miss anything about Tesla in 2021? If I did, please let me know in the comment section below. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone. Today is December 31st. Have a happy new year, and may 2021 be a better year, and that people do more good things, love their neighbors, be more kind to one another, and reflect on their own lives more, and have spent more times with their families. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.